welcome to our latest update on the engine shed. Since you last seen us in December, work has been completed on the roof, with the exception of the ventilation. In January, the bricklayers arrived to lay a red brick perimeter course around the building. This was done very nicely by a lovely team from St Austell. The cladders then followed with their complex task of installing the walls onto the outer skin. This comprises of an inner sheet, an insulation layer and an outer sheet, which nearly brings the cladding to a whopping 12 inches thick. Work over the last 2 months has largely revolved around the cladding, and skipping forward to February, you can really take in the work which has been achieved. We're near enough going to follow the footsteps of what we did in our last construction update. Now we're going through what will become the visitor entrance, and once we're inside you will take in how much work has been undertaken on the cladding. You can clearly see all the inner sheets have been completed, and looking round to where the visitor seating area will be and kitchen, wow, what a purely lovely view. Of course there is the decking to yet be attached, and then round to the other side where the indoor soft play will be situated. This area is the kitchen. Turning round behind you will be a range of facilities to make all the delicious goodies that will be produced in the cafe. Now we're heading upstairs, and the view you've just had is of the lift area. Up there will be the children's party room, and this will be the view. What a fantastic place for a children's birthday party. In this corner will be toilet facilities, the stairway and lift, and looking back onto the indoor soft play. And lastly, a view of the office area. Well, that is all we've got time for in this construction update. We hope you've enjoyed watching. We'll leave you with a couple of aerial views of the site during the course of its development, and we'll see you on the next one.